We're always attracting according to our consciousness. Everything we thought, everything we feel, everything we believe, how the choices we make, all of that makes up our consciousness. And the saints and sages and great teachers say that it's a difficult truth, and let me preface it by saying none of this is to blame ourselves, because that is only negativity, to blame ourselves, to condemn ourselves, to get upset with ourselves. That's piling on negativity. That's counterproductive. But accepting responsibility and saying, okay, the sages and teachers have said, you are where you are because of what you are. We are where we are, our experience, in our relationships, in our finances, in our jobs, in our general experiences. We are where we are because of what we are, really referring to our consciousness. Because as I said, as a spiritual being, you aren't your experiences, you aren't your thoughts, you aren't your feelings. But we are attracting all the time